In this video, we are going to see how to make eggless strawberry cake with fresh strawberry frosting, which is very rich in strawberry and without oven. So first we need to take almost 250 gram of strawberries. So this is now easily available in the markets because it is strawberry season. Now chop it into half or smaller parts. Then we need to make a paste out of it like puree. Add almost 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and make a paste out of it. So strawberries in India are not very sweet, so we need to add sugar in it. Now in another bowl add half cup of softened butter. This is salted, you can also take unsalted. In it add half cup of powdered sugar and using a normal hand whisk beat this until it is light and fluffy. You can also use a beater here. It will just take few seconds. Into this we are going to add a strawberry puree that we have kept aside. So I am not adding full, I am leaving almost 1/4 cup for the frosting. Mix this until everything combines well. Now in another bowl sieve the dry ingredients, 1 cup and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients into a wet. So add 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time and then give it a good whisk. At the end the batter will be very thick, so add just half cup of milk which is at room temperature and then give it a good stir. Whisk it nicely. I am also adding few drops of red food gel color. This is optional, you can add if you want or you can skip. I added the color because when we bake a cake, the color of a cake becomes a bit dull. That is why I am adding extra food color. Switch to a spatula, cut and fold your batter 8 to 9 times. Do not over mix it. Then pour it into a 6-inch or any vessel that you have at your home, which is already greased and dusted with maida. So I am baking it in a normal vessel which is already preheated for 10 minutes and I am going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes at low flame. Here I am taking almost 3/4 cup of whipping cream which is very cold and I am going to beat it until stiff peaks. You can also take any fresh cream of your choice. Into this whipping cream I have added the rest of the strawberry puree that we have kept aside. Give it a good beat and this is done. Keep it in a refrigerator. So our cake has baked nicely. I am going to cut the top part to make the cake even and then I am going to cut it into 3 layers. So I can smell the aroma of strawberries already. This cake is so tasty. Of course I have tasted it. So I have made the sugar syrup. If you want you can also pour some milk. So 2 tablespoons of sugar with 3 tablespoons of water. Your sugar syrup is ready. Pour some at the bottom, then a big dollop of whipping cream that we have kept in the refrigerator. So here I am also adding some choco chips which I have made from melted white chocolate. This is optional, you can add if you want or skip this, or you can add any sprinkle or crushed biscuits of your choice, or strawberries, chopped strawberries if you want. Then another layer, sugar syrup, whipping cream, and this continues. So right now I am covering the whole cake with the whipping cream. I have filled the rest of the whipping cream in a piping bag with a nozzle. You can decorate your cake as you wish or skip this. At the bottom of the cake I am using a different nozzle, the flower one. On the top of this cake I am placing few strawberries. You can get creative with your cake and do anything that you want with it. If you love strawberries then this cake is a must try as it is made without eggs, without oven and was so simple to make. This cake is very rich in strawberry as it is made from a lot of strawberries. Like the strawberry frosting is also made from strawberry puree and whipping cream, and the cake also. In every bite of this cake, you can feel the strawberry and the aroma of it. And from the leftover cake crumbs and whipping cream, I made this cake jar. Do try out this amazing cake.